Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitLab, manage code and CI pipelines step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to gitlab.com or your company's self-hosted GitLab URL. Check that the website address is correct to avoid phishing and unsafe login pages. Click the Sign In button on the GitLab homepage. Choose your login method, such as username or email, or single sign-on if your company uses it. If you use username or email, type your email address or username into the first field. Type your password carefully into the password field. Click Sign In and wait for GitLab to load your dashboard. If two-factor authentication is enabled, open your Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset email instructions. After login, confirm you are on the dashboard where your projects and groups appear. Click your avatar in the top right to open the user menu. Go to Preferences to adjust settings like theme, notifications, and SSH keys. To manage code securely, add an SSH key by opening SSH keys and pasting your public key. Return to the dashboard and click New Project to create a repository. Choose Create Blank Project, import a project, or create from a template based on your needs. Enter a project name, select a visibility level, and click Create Project. To upload code, open the project and follow the instructions for git clone and git push. If you already have code locally, run git remote add origin with your project URL. Commit your changes and push to the main branch to store your code in GitLab. To manage branches, click Repository and then Branches to create and protect branches. To review code changes, open Merge Requests and create a new merge request from your branch. To set up CI, click Build and then Pipelines, and choose Create a new pipeline if needed. Create a .gitlabci.yml file in the repository to define build and test jobs. Use simple stages like build and test, and specify the script commands your project needs. Commit and push the .gitlabci.yml file so GitLab can detect and run the pipeline automatically. Open CI/CD and then pipelines to watch the pipeline status and open job logs for details. If a job fails, read the log, fix the issue in your code or config, and push again to rerun. To keep secrets safe, go to Settings, CI/CD, Variables and add protected environment variables. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.